Okay, let's look at it. Okay, so you did the jump, but there's a major problem. First of all, you don't have any, it's too slow. You need to make it move much faster up and down. Number two, your puppeteering system is not working. So you must have done your stuff right here, which is not what I asked. That needs to be connected. You did it connected right here, that's fine. And it moves together right here. And the legs, that's okay. But you haven't connected right there. That needs to be connected where this is the master. And you go in right there. Actually, you can do a child parent. So you can use child. That one, click on P. And now that will move with it. Alright. And you need to do the same thing for the shoulders. They're not doing anything. You need to connect them, and not child parent. This one, it needs to be a constraint right here in the animation, and that would be a point one. Maintain offset, apply, and it would be also orient one with maintain offset, apply, and now that should go all together, and that one should is rotating your shoulders and stuff now, what this wasn't before. So this is the bend prime you have. So your animation is just a blocking. It needs to be faster. Your fingers are all messed up. Don't put IK in your finger if it's not working. And one works, the other one didn't work well. Or even they get stuck. So get rid of them because that looks just bad if you didn't mess. If it's not done properly, that's even worse. Okay, and then do what I just showed you. You're gonna need to. Thank you.